Hello and welcome to another episode of Travel Chef. And today we are going to make egg roast. Egg roast actually is a very simple dish, and we make it not by boiling eggs but in a different method. So please watch the entire video and see how it comes out. And also do share your comments too. To know how to make egg roast under 6 minutes, we'll show you how to do it in this video. Egg roast. First we switch on the stove, take a clean pan, and we pour 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. We have chopped 2 medium-sized onions. Next we need to wait till the stove is hot and we have to stir this onions. This ingredients of onion, we are adding 1 teaspoon of ghee. This would add as a taste to our egg roast. Next, as our onions cook, we add half teaspoon of salt. We stir it together. Next ingredient to add is half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Once again, mix the ingredients together. We are adding quarter teaspoon of turmeric. One teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of ordinary chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder to give that bright red taste color to our food, quarter teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Now we stir all these ingredients together. Now the raw smell of the raw taste of the masalas have gone. The next step is to add the chopped tomatoes. For this we have taken one tomato that we have chopped finely. Now we mix it along with the masala. We continue to saute all these ingredients together till the raw taste of the vegetables go away. Make our egg roast a little spicy, so we added quarter teaspoon of pepper powder. Next we need to mix all these ingredients together once again. Now we are adding a little water. Approximately it should be around 50 to 100 ml. Now we wait for the ingredients to boil at least for 3 to 5 minutes. For an added flavor, we have added kasuri methi, a little of kasuri methi. You can either use coriander leaves or mint. We have sprinkled our kasuri methi across the pan. Next we need to mix it together by stirring it. Now our ingredients are well cooked. The next step is to add 5 eggs that we are going to break and place it into the pan. Now we have dropped 5 eggs into the pan. Next we need to cover the pan for 2 to 3 minutes and wait for the ingredients to cook. We need to check whether our eggs that we have dropped into the pan is cooked, and they are cooked. Next we need to flip them over a bit. So we flip all these eggs together slowly without breaking the yolk of the egg. Now we flipped all the eggs over. Next we need to cover the pan. Now we cover the pan for another 3 minutes. Needs to be done on low flame. Now we need to check whether our egg is cooked, and they are completely cooked. Now we need to once again flip the egg over. So we flipped all eggs over, and now our egg roast is ready to be served. The total cooking time of this was around 6 minutes, and it was an easy and simple recipe. And now we can switch off our stove, and our egg roast can be had with chapatis or rice, which is really easy and quick dish to be made, and it can be eaten. Well, we hope you liked watching our videos, and we request you to like, share and comment on them if you found our videos really useful as well as informative. If you liked our recipe, please give us a thumbs up, as well as please enter your comments too in the comment section below. This will really help us to improve our programming content too. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Well, until the next video, until the next video, which is on Thursday. See you. Take care. Bye-bye.